Have you come across a situation where you open a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document or any other file where a font has been used that you don't have installed on your system? Like in this case, the Text 6 Secrets is using a font called Capture It, which is actually not installed on my system at this point in time. When we install the font, you will see it looks completely different than what it looks now. So the simple solution is you can just go and install the font. But what do you do for fonts that are used just for one document or one presentation or one slide? Do you want to go and install all those fonts and unnecessarily go and fill up your system with fonts you don't need ever after? So what you can do is you can use a product that I have found, which is called Font Loader. You can see the URL over here, and I'll put it in the description below. And you can download Font Loader to your computer. It's very simple. You don't have to even install the product. It downloads as a zip file, and you can unzip it and keep it anywhere you want. It just has two files: the actual Font Loader Exe file and the readme text file. I'm just going to go and double click on the Font Loader Exe file. It opens this window that you see here. It's a simple window. I can just click on Add Fonts and navigate to the folder where I have the fonts, or the other option that I have is I can go to the font folder that I have which I want to install, and I'm going to select the fonts in this folder that I want to install, drag it into the Font Loader window, and at this point of time the font is not installed. To install the font, I'm just going to select the fonts and say load, and now the font will be installed and loaded. But you will not be able to see it again in PowerPoint because PowerPoint only shows the fonts that were in existence when it actually loaded up. So we have to shut down PowerPoint, and then what we can do is launch PowerPoint again. And then go back to our presentation, and now you can see that same font is installed and it looks so much different. So when you have fonts like these which are not used all the time, you only use it for one document, one presentation, it's a good idea to use a product like Font Loader. It doesn't slow down your system, and you can have the fonts loaded into your system as long as you want to use them. And once you're done, you just select the loaded fonts and click the unload button. And it's so simple and clean, and lets you run a snappy system and lets you use all the fonts that you want. There you see the fonts are unloaded successfully. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to our channel and like the video and share the video, and we hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.
Explore more concepts at Indezine.com.
Indezine.
Make better presentations fast.